Classic Girl PK, and today's video is another Eid tutorial for Eid al-Adha. Today's look is definitely a lot more softer and much more wearable than the one that I uploaded earlier. I'll have that video linked down below as well as thrown up in the cards. But I hope you guys like today's look. I did receive a few requests on my Snapchat to do rose gold eye. I also received a couple of requests for like peachy and pinky looks. So I tried to incorporate everything in here. I do have some pinks on my eyes, some peaches and that kind of thing. But overall, it's definitely a much softer look than the one that I uploaded the other day. So I hope you guys like it and enjoy it. For today's look, I started off with my base and my eyebrows already done. So I'll just walk you guys through my eye look and then everything else on my face. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't done so already, and also give this video a thumbs up if you think it's a nice look to wear on Eid. Yeah, without further ado, let's jump right into the tutorial. I hope you enjoy it and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!